In this video, I'll be discussing about two integrals with odd exponent on secant x. So the first one we are taking integral of secant x, and then the second one we are taking secant cube x. So the small trick we have seen that this one, if you do like integral, you have secant x. If you multiply numerator denominator by secant x plus 10x, if I write without parentheses should be fine on the angles. Secant x plus tangent x dx. Now what happens, if you look at the top, you get distribute your secant. So secant squared x plus secant x tan x over secant x plus tan x dx. Now we can go u substitution. U equals, say you have secant x plus tangent x. So the derivative will be, derivative of secant x will be secant x tangent x, and the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x, and then we have dx. So you see that the numerator has come back. So this integral now reduces to 1 over u du. So we know the integral of 1 over u is natural log of u plus sc. And what is our u? Natural log secant x plus tangent x plus a constant. We are done. Now we'll go to the second one. For the second one, secant cube x, split like that. Secant squared x and then secant x dx. And you know the reason why. If I have secant squared, then I know that the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. Now we can say the integral of secant squared will be tangent x. So now we try to apply integration by parts. So integration by parts will be like this. Have a derivative integral. So you know secant square integral is known, so put it here. And then keep here secant x. Now the derivative of secant x will be secant x tangent x. And the integral of secant squared will be tangent x. And since we are not getting 0, so we'll stop here. Then we have a plus sign, we have a minus sign. Then our format is now coming like, let me write here. So secant x tangent x, that is coming from here. Secant x tangent x, and then minus. Now we need to go this way, direct. So this one will be integral secant x tan squared x dx. All right, so let me remove this and get some space and continue doing integrals. So we got secant x tangent x minus integral. So now in this case, tan squared x is not that much useful in the integration, but you can do one thing. Probably it will go to the loop secant x, and tangent, you know, same as secant squared x minus 1 dx. Now this part is giving me secant x tangent x minus, if you distribute, you can say it is secant cube x, that has come back, original problem, plus integral secant x dx. Now if you move this one to other side, then it will have 2 times integral secant cube x dx will be equals secant x tangent x plus integral of secant x. We have seen in example 1 is natural log of secant x plus tangent x, and then finally we see integral secant cube x will give me 1/2, and then secant x tangent x plus natural log of secant x plus tangent x, and we add a constant, and we are done. Thank you.